Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use item blocks. These essential game elements are designed to provide players with crucial advantages and hidden treasures. Understanding their fundamental mechanics is key to mastering any level. We will cover everything from basic activation to advanced strategic deployment, ensuring you can maximize every single block's potential. Get ready to uncover all the secrets these blocks hold, making your gameplay much more rewarding. Activating item blocks is usually straightforward, but methods can vary. Many blocks simply require a jump and a hit from underneath. However, some special blocks might demand a specific tool, like a hammer, or a unique character ability to reveal their contents. Always pay close attention to the block's appearance and any surrounding environmental clues. These often indicate the correct activation method. There are typically 3 or 4 common activation types. Item blocks come in several distinct varieties, each offering different rewards. Standard blocks frequently contain common items such as coins or a single power-up. Hidden blocks, often invisible until struck, can reveal secret passages or extremely rare and powerful items. Timed blocks might offer a temporary speed boost or a brief invincibility period. Understanding these differences helps you prioritize which blocks to target first, maximizing your gains. Strategic use of item blocks can significantly impact your success. Always prioritize blocks that provide immediate benefits, like health restoration or a crucial weapon upgrade. Consider saving powerful items, such as a flight ability or a shield, for upcoming difficult encounters. Thoroughly explore every corner of the environment, as many levels contain 1 or 2 hidden blocks with exceptional rewards. Mastering block timing can also help you avoid hazards.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.